yan ng regalo.
Ay, kahit na. Grabe.
Katagal.
Fred, Nina has a Christmas gift for you and of course, gift for mommy, a birthday gift. Wow. Say thank you to Ninang. Come on. That's it. You have to bless. You have to ask blessing. Okay, bless. Oh, very good. Excited. Uy.
Excited. You
Binuksan agad.
check, maybe it's for you.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
that's great.
Wow, nice cloth.
Oh,
Wow.
that's just what you need.
Ang ganda,
New shorts.
Sil. Thank you so much. Ay, akin to. Thank you so much.
Damit kong kasya sa kanya, parang, ay, hindi, sakto lang yata.
Basta ang ganda. Nakita ko na.
That's your for your mom.
Thank you, Sila.
Birthday